Today, I'm going to show you how to climb a freestanding ladder. It's a dangerous prop, but it is fun once you get it. The key is into the rocking of the ladder back and forth. That's the key in keeping your feet far to each side of the ladder rung. Enjoy.
Now you want to start rocking the ladder back and forth. When you get to find the sweet spot, you can move up. When it starts to stand still just a little bit, move up to that next step. As soon as you feel that it's under control, that's when you move to the next step, rocking it back and forth. The higher you go, the easier it gets, believe it or not. Once you get up to that top step, you want to be able to swing your leg over that top rung. I'm not quite comfortable enough doing that just yet, but hopefully in about a week or so I will be. Work yourself back down the same way, find the sweet spot. I usually jump off about the third step though, and there you have it.
Next time I bring the ladder with, I'm going to show you how to step over that top rung, lock yourself in, and do it with no hands. If you like what you saw, click the like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Fritzy Brothers.